This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to adjust Tesla Model Y trunk height. Begin by opening the hatch and locating the two adjustment bolts behind the trim. Use the trim tool to gently remove the panels and expose the bolts. Turn each bolt half a turn at a time and test the hatch height after each adjustment. Keep hands clear of the latch and ask a friend to assist for safety. Next, make the actual adjustments with slow, controlled turns so you do not overcorrect. Use a ratchet to rotate the striker bolt in small increments and close the hatch to check alignment. If the hatch sits too high, lower by clockwise turns. If it sits low, raise by counterclockwise turns. Repeat until the seal contacts evenly and the latch engages smoothly without forcing the hatch. For a perfect fit, fine-tune each side incrementally and verify that door seals compress evenly across the trunk opening. Check alignment after several cycles of opening and closing to ensure consistency. If you notice rubbing or gaps, back out the adjustment slightly and reattempt. Keep adjustments small and patient, and consider marking the original position with a light pencil mark for easy reversal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.